All for you, baby. And you see there's a cover here?
Yeah.
Specifically neatly arranged. If you sit in here, Granny will come up. Shush! Why you're collapsing it? She's like always fixing it out, you know? Everything is nice and...
Hi guys, welcome back.
What's up, fellows?
So guys, right now we are at Victoria Hotel, and what is Nika? What is the plan for today?
Today we're going to explore my culture, Belarusian culture, a bit more deep down. We're going to my granny's place. She's gonna make for us some kind of breakfast, pancakes and stuff. Yeah. And we're gonna see how she's living, what's her place, what's gonna be Belarusian culture, old school Soviet style.
I'm so excited for that. And we are going in afternoon time, like during a lunch for breakfast, because we both wake up late.
यार मेरा बदलो क्या दुनिया से लेना धड़कन ये कहती है तेरे बिन तुझ में मेरे एक जीवन मैं तो knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed you put your heart on a letter chase it away, cause and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, it never really can. Hey, when I'm sleeping with someone.
Здравствуйте, здравствуйте. You should shake hands. Пожмите ручки. Оп, 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 оп. Opening the doors. Он из Индии. India, yes. Знаете? Jimmy. Acha. Jimmy. Okay, so you... She's asking, you got corona? Бро, no corona, bro, no corona, никакой короны. Нам нужны тапочки тогда.
Тапочки, I know.
Тапочки, yeah, shoes. Yeah, you see all her stuff here. The mirror. This is my small stuff. You see, I put some postcards here, like things, some motivation, affirmations, you know, for positive mind and stuff. You see, this is all my stuff I put to inspire myself all the time when I'm getting out of the house. Так, давай тапочки. Shoes. VIP.
Oh, so cute.
Exclusively.
Yeah.
For you.
Which one?
I'm gonna be leopard mode, you're gonna be green one. You wanted leopard?
Yeah. I wanted to get that cheetah one. I wanted a cheetah one.
Cheetah. Cheetah Margarita. Okay, you can try it out, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be your size. So try it out on. Okay.
You don't want me to wear that, so you tell me before it's not your size.
Yeah. I'm too greedy.
But I'm happy that Granny is so energetic to like keep everything so clean.
Yes, of course.
Fashionista.
Oh my God, fancy boy! Look at this, cheetah mode. Yo, a very exclusive style. Oh, so cute. Okay, feel like home, yeah.
Yeah.
Porque quieres hacer, ya sé, bebé, no sientes lo mismo, lo que yo sentí para ti. Yo fui solo una noche más, no más, yeah. Lo que es, para ti fue una aventura y yo, bebé, quería ser tu Romeo la última vez. Te juro que la última vez. Ser doble cara está de moda. El egoísmo a ti te ahoga y tus mentiras no dejo que eso siga. Prefiero un te odio más un te quiero que no sea de verdad. Estoy bien, eso es lo que digo, pero me duele duele si respiro. El problema no es que ya no haya nada, sino la verdad que nunca pudiste decirme. Yeah, yeah.
So this is pancakes. This is a Russian and Belarusian style for our countries. We like, like this thin pancakes.
It looks like a blini.
Yeah, blini. Of course, there's always sour cream, like this one. You put it with jam. It's her homemade jam. Это же твое варенье, да?
Это не варенье, клубника мороженое.
Клубника мороженое. So this is frozen strawberry from her summer house. You see, she put it here. Waited for until it smelled down. Some ham. Some cucumbers, tomatoes, and you arrange it yourself as you like. You want it like with meaty and or sweet. Of course, flowers all around. You see, she's planting stuff here.
And the view is so good, the garden.
Yeah, the yard and stuff like that. Слушай, он приехал сюда, походу, you're gonna stay here 1 month, yeah, in total, yeah?
Yeah.
Короче, он здесь будет месяц. Yeah. Yay! Чин-чин, на здоровье!
На здоровье!
We're drinking juice actually. With vodka. Obviously, of course.
So tasty, so nice. Хорошо.
Хорошо. Some nice juice. Oh my god, a bowl. What's that? Orange and mango exclusively for you, baby.
It's spicy, but thank you so much.
Спасибо. Спасибо, бабушка. Спасибо, бабуля. We're all making a bowl.
How do you like a most beautiful girl, like a...
Красивая. When you want to say beautiful, you say красивая.
Most like spicy, but красива, бабуша.
Красивая бабушка, yeah? Yeah. She's getting shy. Бабуля. Он сказал, что ты супер красивая. Вот так вот. Вот так вот.
Бабуша.
Oh, stop it, you guys, don't make me shy.
Что была лучше, так он герпес вылез.
Ой, все, she's like start complaining. Oh, I was like that, it's not the time.
No, you look now so красива.
Он говорит, что ты выглядишь очень красиво, ты супер красивая вообще, он под впечатлением от тебя. Вот так вот, бабуля. You got the point, girl.
Yeah.
Like worried, guys, eat straight away because it's gonna get cold. No, you gotta eat. You know, our grannies, they're always like that. Eat this, eat faster, finish your food. Maybe you want some more, maybe you want some more jam. She's gonna, you will see the way she acts. She's like always about the, the house and the feeding her kids. It's funny.
Yeah,
Он из Индии. Он из Мумбаи, он приехал сюда, он путешествует по всему миру и делает везде всякие разные видео для Ютуба. На YouTube, на Instagram, вот, все дела. Короче, вот, поэтому такие пироги. Окей, so...
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Откуда ты? Приятного аппетита.
She's saying to you, bon appetit. We say in Russian, приятного аппетита. Приятного аппетита. Приятного аппетита. Опа, yeah, there you go. Good job, well done.
Слышишь? А где ты с ним познакомилась?
She's asking, how did I met you? How and where we met each other? She's like asking, wondering. Короче, у меня в ту пятницу была съемка, и я, шла к Национальному художественному на съемку, и он шел в переходе. И, мы увидели друг друга, и у нас обоих были забавные очки на глазах, и мы такие, well done, look at this fashionista.
Только недавно познакомились?
Да, мы вот в прошлую пятницу с ним словились. Да. И все, мы сразу же обменялись контактами, телеграммами, инстаграмами. И я пошла его выгуливать вот в субботу. Я его водила на Зыбецкую, на тусовочную нашу улицу. Мы сходили в аквапарк. И вот еще вчера встретились, гуляли по городу, ему показывала Карла Маркса. И вот я ему рассказала про тебя, он такой: о, Господи Иисусе, я хочу приехать к твоей бабушке, посмотри, что здесь происходит. Короче, вот. Такие пироги.
Ну, ясно.
She's like, oh, okay. She's saying she's leaving tomorrow for summer house.
Oh.
So only today, only for us.
So we are lucky.
Yeah.
Spicy,
So this is the way. So this is the way you do it. You take a pancake, and then you take whatever you like. Like at the beginning, usually we're like, we want some with the meat. Oh yeah, all right,
okay.
Yeah. And you mix it with whatever you like. You like maybe tomato. And then you flip it. Hoppa,
okay.
And voila, like a wrap, you know. I said a hip, hop. Hip it to the hip and a hip hop. And
okay, so it's like we roll it like.
Yeah, keep it rolling. So of course.
Thank you.
Спасибо. Okay, very good.
Very tasty.
But the best option is when you just take the pancake and then you like with this jam. Yeah, this is my favorite, you know.
Ладно, я пойду.
She's like, take your time, guys. Enjoy food.
In
She's
India-
always like that, you know. She whenever you come, she's making all for you. Then you ask her, come over with us. She's like, no, I'm done. I'm already.
You
done.
enjoy your food.
Yeah, you guys eat. And she's like over and over again, guys eat. Eat some more. Maybe you want something else. No. You will see.
Please don't disturb me. Let me enjoy.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
I will not meet you. I will meet Babushai only.
Tag my granny's Instagram.
Yeah. She has Instagram also, guys.
Yeah, my granny, she has Instagram. Hello, yeah. Так хорошо выглядишь.
Yeah.
Красотка моя. Just like me,
so
girl.
beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful, красивая.
75 also so fit, so making
Yeah.
breakfast. People like hand shivering at this age. I see
Yeah.
people with 60 years hand shivering.
Я
Yeah.
говоришь, что ты вообще отлично выглядишь, вообще супер бодрая, нам там все приготовила, такой
Strong,
ты
strong.
сильная, да.
Что делать?
Yeah, what to do, guys?
Say me secret after the camera off.
Спрашивают, что твой секрет? Что ты делаешь?
Ничего мы.
What are you doing, girl?
Потому что работаю постоянно.
And she's saying, because I'm working hard. Guys,
Yeah.
keep working, carry on, yeah.
She's an inspiration for us.
Yes, он говорит, что ты нас вдохновляешь, видишь, какая ты молодец, столько у тебя движухи, молодец, ты отлично выглядишь, видишь. She's like getting shy, oh my god, what to do?
So we are in.
Чё, кого? Чё, почем?
What it
Есть
means?
чё, а если найду? Got some stuff? So this is the main distinctive thing that you notice when you are in the old school Soviet place apartment for grannies. They always have a carpet on the wall. This is the classy Soviet old school Soviet style. Everyone in 80s and 70s were having carpets on their wall. I still have no idea why was that for. Maybe I don't know. Maybe to reduce the sound or something like that. To make it kind of cozier. I don't know. It's for me. It's fun, you know. Like
But it looks so amazing. I like it.
yeah, this is a funny style, you know, like
Yeah.
the way they arranged it.
It's like so. क्या अच्छा दिख रहा है यार यहाँ पे अब कारपेट रखा है दीवार पे लगा के मेरे को तो अच्छा लगा. What do you think?
Acha, acha,
Acha, acha. Granny will be dancing there with the song.
Yeah, she was gonna go like, oh yeah, what's going on? Body, yeah. Here we go. All for you, baby. And you see there's a cover here.
Yeah.
Specifically neatly arranged. If you sit in here, Granny will come up. Shush! Why you're collapsing it? She's like always fixing it out, you know. Everything is nice and neat. So whenever I come to her house, after me, she always noticed I was here, you know, with a small thing.
And today also today you came and she will be like she gonna create a mess, yeah.
Yes. She's gonna be like, oh, guys, wash your hands, put it on the place, you know, wrap it down. And this is indeed another one thing that you always notice in old school Soviet style houses. There is always the service, you know, like this set for the dishes.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Granny.
Like it is. It's very cool, poshy thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So back in the days, all like families, they were having like a set for the dishes. Usually, normally no one uses it. They just keep it in this place. I don't know why, just to show off or whatsoever.
It looks so amazing, man. I like
it
it.
looks cute. Yeah, I like it. It's
Yeah.
nice. And the funny thing, you know, like in Soviet Union, because there was no diversity in Soviet Union times, yeah. So everyone were having the same sets for the wardrobes, for the sofas, for the carpets and stuff. So specifically like this style, like these fishes, you see. If you go to any like granny's house, you will see this kind of set. It was used to be very, very popular. Like, so everyone recognized it. Oh yeah, hello Soviet times and stuff like that.
Granny has amazing collection. Her choice are so good.
Very good
Yeah.
quality. And of course, on the top of it, yeah, usually there is as well like a collection of books on the side. Yeah, some Orthodox icons you see over here and stuff like that. Yeah.
And flowers from the garden.
Yeah, garden. Yes, and of course, yeah. Oh yeah, jackpot for you. But it's not that big collection anymore. But back in the days when there used to be our grandfather, there was always a lot of bottles, bunch of bottles like vodka and stuff like that, and blah 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 blah, like ready for the guests and stuff.
Oh, and what is this bottle? Big one. It's shoot like.
Like a sword?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Vodka. What is this? The drink?
Look at this.
I think it's like kanike.
This looks like a cognac, might be, and maybe something Georgian. I know, Ararat, cognac, Ararat. Это откуда? Из Азербайджана или Армении? Азербайджан? Ararat.
Я не знаю.
Maybe Azerbaijan and Armenia, yeah, or maybe Georgia.
Из Индии. Там
Опа,
сотни
Индия.
тысяч заражений в сутки. Полный карантин. В
Локдаун.
некоторых кварталах. И без такого удостоверения работать просто... Привели в состояние боевой готовности и наши ядерные силы.
I go hard like Vladimir Putin. Go hard like Vladimir Putin.
Always busy with the phone.
Yeah.
And she watch TikTok also?
Yeah, she's watching TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, my granny, she's almost blogger coming up.
Yeah, and she don't know how to use TV also. Granny came and she has put the
Granny
channel.
showed me, yeah.
Granny's like hey,
Granny's pro.
Granny's like, hey bitch, you don't know anything. I'm pro.
You know nothing in life, girl. Let me teach you something.
Granny will be like, you don't know anything. I'm a pro.
Excuse me.